In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute notifications in Slack. If constant pings and chimes are breaking your focus, here's a simple way to quiet Slack without missing important updates. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Slack and press Enter. Click the official Slack website to open Slack in your browser. Once Slack loads, look down to the lower left corner of the app. Click your profile or workspace avatar to open the menu. From here, choose Preferences. This opens a settings window where you can fine-tune how Slack behaves and how it notifies you. On the left side of that window, select Notifications. This is where Slack controls when and how you're alerted. We're going to focus specifically on sounds, so find the section labeled Sounds and Appearance. In this area, you'll see simple options that manage the audible cues Slack plays for different events. To silence the pings for incoming messages, check the box labeled Mute All Messaging Sounds from Slack. With this enabled, messages will still arrive, but Slack won't play the usual ding. You'll continue to see unread badges and visual indicators, so you can review updates when you're ready without the interruptions. Next, locate the option for Mute All Huddle Sounds from Slack and check that box as well. Huddles are Slack's lightweight audio sessions, and they can play, join, and notification sounds. Turning this off ensures you won't hear those huddle tones while you work, which is especially helpful if you keep Slack open during calls, recordings, or deep focus tasks. And that's it. Your Slack is now muted for both messaging and huddles. You haven't disabled notifications entirely. You've only stopped the sounds. If you ever want the audio cues back, head right back to the same notifications page and uncheck those boxes. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. Muting sounds is different from pausing notifications or using Do Not Disturb. Those features change whether alerts arrive at all, while this change simply makes them silent. If you need complete quiet for a set time, you can pair sound muting with your device's focus mode or system volume controls. Also, the layout in Slack's desktop and web apps is very similar, so these options live in the same place across both environments, which makes it easy to repeat this setup wherever you use Slack. Enjoy a calmer Slack experience, stay productive, and check messages on your schedule without the constant chime.